What's up, Enjin coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day. My friends, once again, I'm present with the Enjin coin big news. My friend, this is the big news. That is the alert news. That is the latest update of the Enjin coin. Just keep watch this video for better understanding. And remember, my friends, remember to subscribe. Subscribe if you subscribe my channel, so you will get all updates of cryptocurrencies market, my friends. I will update you in the every hour. I will update you. Just subscribe now. So my friends, let's start the video. The currently and latest price of the Enjin coin is 1.06 USD dollar. 1.06 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Enjin coin. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the Enjin coin, so now the latest last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 1 day pricing is positive, and last 1 week pricing so in the Enjin coin is again negative. So from this price changes, that's clear that the previous time is a bad time of Enjin coin, but now from yesterday I think the good time of Enjin coin starts now. From yesterday, from the last 24 hours, the Enjin coin price start increasing gradually, my friends, not fastly. Gradually the price of the Enjin coin start increasing, and I hope that they will continue this pump for a long time. Oh my goodness, you can see here at this time the latest situation, the last 2 hours, the last 120-minute situation is negative. You can see completely fast down occur in the Enjin coin price, but that's not mean, my friends, you are disappointed by the Enjin coin. Don't lose hope, my friends. My personal research, my technical analysis tells us that Enjin coin will take a huge pump in the last afternoon. You know what? In the last afternoon, there is a higher chances to every coin, not only Enjin coin. In the last afternoon, every coin is a chances to the price pump in the last half month. So as you know, it is the last half month. So that's why I'm telling you to please hold it. Maybe Enjin coin pump in the last afternoon. Anyways, personally I'm feeling very good about Enjin coin because the previous changes, you can see here the last 24 hours price change in the Enjin coin is going good. That's why personally I'm feeling very good about Enjin coin. Anyways, how do you feel today about Enjin coin, and what is your opinion? What is your target for Enjin coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.